What is up, YouTube? My name is Oscar. Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, and in this video we're going to be learning how you can make $500 per day on Pinterest, and as an added bonus there's going to be a surprise at the very end of this video, so let's get started. So what is the perfect way to make passive income online? Well, it's with Pinterest and affiliate marketing. This works because you could do it all over the globe. You're not stuck down to like a certain location. You can do this in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, United States, and even the Philippines. It doesn't matter. You could be in the Atlantic Ocean, for God's sake, and you could still make money online as long as you have an internet connection. With this job, you can travel the world with your family. You could stay on the beach, do your work at the beach, drink some margaritas at the beach. It doesn't matter. You could do this anywhere around the globe, and you can do this anytime you want to. Once you make that video, once you make that pin, you can keep making money each and every day. You don't need to be working all the time. And with this job, you can pursue your hobbies. My hobbies is actually playing video games. So yeah, this allows you to do whatever you want, whenever you want. So how does affiliate marketing work with Pinterest? It's very simple. Step one, you become an affiliate to any affiliate network sites like ClickBank, JVSuit, or any types of big companies like that. Number two, you're going to be promoting products on social media, and I'm going to be teaching you guys step by step today in this video so you can make $500 per day on Pinterest. So of course we're going to be using Pinterest for today's video, but you can also use this same tactic on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Quora, honestly a bunch of other different websites out there, and I'll be making more videos on those up soon, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? And number three, whenever a customer clicks on your link, aka your pin for this particular video, you will be getting paid upwards of $100 per click, so which is pretty insane. Big brands also pay you commissions. Even small businesses also pay you really big commissions, sometimes as high as 90% per commission. And you don't need to make any types of products. You don't need to make any types of ebooks. You don't need to make any types of online course. And you don't need a big following. The awesome thing with Pinterest is that you don't need followers to translate into views, okay? The more views you get, the more pins you make, the more money you can actually make with this make money online method. And it's also the safest and easiest way to make money online in your spare time, because this could be a side hustle that you do on the side. You have a full-time job. For example, I'm a nurse, and this is my side hustle as well. And you can make thousands of dollars in passive income, so you can retire earlier, you can save up for that house, you can save up for that new car. Honestly, whatever you want to do with your money, it's your money. Some companies pay up to 90% in commission, so example products are worth $500. You would earn up to $450 just from selling that one product, and you don't need to deal with any types of customers. So how can we do this? Very simple. You can go to Pinterest right now and make an account, and you could honestly search up anything. So let's go look up keto, for example, keto recipes. Ready to go? Boom, tons of different options, okay? So whenever you click on any of these links, for example, so we click on one of these links, and it's going to take us to their blog post, and you scroll down and you could read about their day 10 challenge. For example, this is just any pin, and then you could place order, and this is where they're making most of their money, okay? They are an affiliate for this this program right here, Chef to Table, for example. So let's go try another one. We're gonna go click on this one, taco stuffed. Oops, that is loud. We're gonna go back out of that one. We don't want any videos. Let's do keto sausages. Okay, so if you click on here, for example, if you click on the pin, it's gonna take you to their website. If that one works, okay, that one's not taking us to their website. But basically how it works is once you click on their website, bam, no link. They're not pinning it properly. This is what you shouldn't do on Pinterest, by the way. So you could use keto recipes, make pins like this very easily using Canva and things of that nature. And we're going to be promoting keto products because the keto industry, or the weight loss industry, is around $702 billion, which is a 4.2 trillion global wellness industry back in 2017, which is probably around 4.5 trillion now that we are in 2021. So how can you actually make money? All you gotta do is really simply go to clickbank.com, click up sign up, and make your free account. This is a website where you could promote tons of different products or whatever fits your niche, and you can get commissions as high as 90%. And then some of them have recurring commissions too, so you can make money every single month once you attract that customer. They have more than 4,000 different products. They've paid out $4.2 billion in commission. So, people are actually making money with this website. So commissions meaning how much you would get paid for promoting this. So there's tons of people promoting these ClickBank products all over the internet, which is why they're making blogs, YouTube videos, things like that, because they do get paid. So you can get potential commissions for up to 90%. And once you log in, this is what it's going to look like. Okay, this is going to be your ClickBank marketplace, and you're going to be sorry, there's going to be a ton of different products that you can promote. So for this one, for example, keto resources, average conversion is $22. We're going to look at it right now. So whenever someone buys this product from your affiliate link, you would get $22. Okay, $22 per conversion. So whenever they read this and then they click to take the challenge, you're going to be taking $27, and they're only going to take $10 out of it. And this is how affiliate marketing works. So you create a landing page. A landing page is something very simple where you collect an email address. You create a bridge page, and in this bridge page, you're going to be making like a promotional video, for example, and say, oh, I did this 28-day keto challenge, and I've lost 20 pounds of weight, for example. Try to keep this tagline, and you've had a successful return on by purchasing this investment, for example. Okay, make a little video on how keto resources changed your life and how it can change your customers' lives as well. That's what's going to be putting in your bridge page. And then there's going to be a button on your bridge page that's going to lead you to their offer page, which is this one. So basically, you only need to make a landing page to collect email address, a bridge page to tell them like a little testimonial from yourself or whatever files anything that Keto Resources does. So anything that let's say you've taken this program, for example, you tried the challenge, that's the best way to do it. Actually know what the product is about, see if it's good or not, because your brand is behind that particular product. So let's go say you start making pins on keto dishes. You could create a landing page for Keto Resources. You can make a bridge page and then link them up to their offer page right here, because you need this landing page to collect email address so you can hit them with that email blast that the 28-day keto challenge does offer. So you don't even need to write your own emails. And then bridge page, offer page, and then I also have a little simple trick to actually make these landing pages and bridge pages very quickly, very easily. All you gotta go is down to my YouTube channel, click up the #1 tool for affiliate marketers. If you click this one button right here, bam, it's gonna go take you to, it's loading up. It's basically gonna take you to this Builderall landing page. Okay, you could start now for just $1. It's basically ClickFunnels, Aweber, any types of email marketing tools all in one, and you could get started today for just $1. So if you guys, it's one of the cheapest ways too. It's basically an all-in-one software where you could promote as much, make as much different websites, landing pages, email marketing, tons of different, you could run your own affiliate system, make your own online course for only $1 if you start today. Okay, so if you go get started, you can make a landing page, you can make a bridge page, you can make an offer page very easily, very simply, all from the click of a button using their Cheetah Funnel Builder. Okay, this is what I personally use for mine. But yeah, so all you gotta do is do some 3 clicks basically, and you have your own funnel system very easily. If you guys want to do a more in-depth guide on affiliate marketing and actually how to do it properly using, you could also click on here, the number, awesome, this one. Are you looking for the easiest way to make money online? Check out this video from my mentor, Dave Sharp, and he's the one that actually helped me gain $103,457 in my first year with affiliate marketing. He's the one that taught me everything I know. And this is why I made my YouTube channel as my side hustle, because he helped me make a lot of money online. If you click this link right here, it's going to take you to this high ticket freelancer, and all you got to do is click get instant access, put in your email, put in your name, and then it's going to show you like a really good training video for around 30 minutes, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing and how you can actually start making high commissions every single day starting today. You could, using Pinterest marketing, they'll teach you everything you need to know about online marketing and how to make money online. Well, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.